Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about space? Space is a big, mysterious place with lots of stars and planets. How do we get there? We use rockets. Rockets are like really powerful cars that can fly into space. They are super cool. Rockets help us explore the unknown. They carry astronauts and special tools to space. Astronauts can walk on the moon or study faraway planets. It's like an exciting adventure. Want to learn how these amazing machines work? Let's blast off on a journey to discover the secrets of rockets. Imagine you have a balloon. You hold it tightly in your hand, feeling the smooth surface and the tension of the air inside. Now you blow it up with air, watching it expand and grow bigger and bigger. What happens when you let go of the balloon? It flies away, zooming around unpredictably. Rockets work in a similar way, but with much more precision and power. They use something called thrust to move. Thrust is the force that propels the rocket forward. Thrust is a pushing force that is generated by the engines of the rocket. Rockets burn fuel, which creates hot gas. This hot gas is expelled out of the rocket's engines. The hot gas shoots out of the bottom of the rocket with a lot of force, creating a powerful stream. This force pushing downwards creates an equal force pushing the rocket upwards, just like the balloon. This is how rockets lift off the ground and soar into space, overcoming the pull of gravity. It's all about action and reaction. The action of the gas pushing down creates the reaction of the rocket moving up. As the rocket ascends, it goes through different stages, shedding parts to become lighter and more efficient. Finally, the rocket reaches outer space, where it can travel to its destination, whether it's a satellite, a space station, or even another planet. And that's how rockets fly, using the principles of thrust, action, and reaction to explore the vastness of space. A rocket is like a giant puzzle with many important parts. Each part is crucial for the rocket to function properly and achieve its mission. Each part has a special job to do to make sure the rocket flies safely and reaches its destination. Without these parts working together, the rocket wouldn't be able to leave the ground or navigate through space. First, we have the fuel tank, which holds the rocket's fuel. This fuel is essential for powering the rocket's engines. The fuel is like the food that gives the rocket energy to fly. Without fuel, the rocket would be like a car with an empty gas tank, unable to move. Then there's the oxidizer tank, which holds oxygen. This oxygen is necessary for the fuel to burn. Just like we need air to breathe, rockets need oxygen to burn their fuel. The oxidizer tank ensures that the rocket has enough oxygen to keep the engines running. The fuel and oxygen mix together in the combustion chamber, where they are ignited, creating a controlled explosion. This is where the magic happens. This explosion produces hot gas. The hot gas is what propels the rocket forward, pushing it through the atmosphere and into space. Finally, the hot gas rushes out of the rocket through a special opening called the nozzle, creating thrust. This thrust is what lifts the rocket off the ground and sends it soaring into the sky. Section 4. Blasting off to space. The journey to space begins with a thrilling countdown and an awe-inspiring launch. When a rocket is ready to launch, everyone counts down. 10, 9, 8, 7. The anticipation builds with each passing second, and the excitement in the air is palpable. When they reach 0, the engines ignite with a roar. The sheer power of the engines is unleashed, creating a thunderous sound that can be felt in your chest. The rocket begins to shake and tremble as the powerful force of thrust builds up. It's a moment of intense energy as the rocket prepares to break free from Earth's gravity. Slowly at first, the rocket rises off the ground, flames shooting out from its bottom. The initial liftoff is a delicate balance of power and precision. As it climbs higher and higher, it goes faster and faster, leaving a trail of smoke and fire behind. The rocket pierces through the atmosphere, accelerating rapidly. It's a powerful and spectacular sight. The combination of fire, smoke, and speed creates a mesmerizing visual display. Now the rocket is on its way to space, carrying its precious cargo to exciting new worlds and beyond. The journey has just begun, and the possibilities are endless. Section 5. Rockets, our ticket to the stars. Rockets are amazing inventions that have opened up a whole universe of possibilities for us. They allow us to explore space, learn about other planets, and study the stars. Thanks to rockets, we can send satellites into space that help us predict the weather, make phone calls, and even watch TV. Rockets are our ticket to understanding the vast and mysterious universe we live in. Want to learn even more about rockets and space exploration? Subscribe to Kids Science Academy and join us on an incredible journey of discovery.